Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make Opera GX use less RAM and CPU. Here's a clear step guide to make Opera GX use less RAM and CPU on Windows. First, launch the browser from your desktop or Start menu. Go to GX Control. Click the speedometer icon in the sidebar to open GX Control. Enable the RAM limiter. Toggle it on, then move the slider to set how much memory Opera GX can use. Choose Hard Limit mode. Toggle on Hard Limit to strictly stop Opera from exceeding the chosen RAM usage. Enable the CPU limiter. And GX Control, switch on CPU limiter to control how much processing power Opera can consume. Set a CPU limit percentage. Adjust the slider to cap Opera GX CPU usage, for example, 30 to 40%. Use GX Cleaner. Go to Sidebar, GX Cleaner, and clear cache, browsing history, and temporary files to reduce background load. Then hit Start Cleaning. Disable unnecessary extensions. Press Alt plus P to go to Settings. Then Extensions. Remove or disable ones you don't need. Turn off background music. Go to Settings again, then search for background music. Click on it, and disable GX Corner background music and animated wallpapers to reduce CPU usage. Enable hardware acceleration. In Settings, scroll to the bottom, go to Advanced, System, toggle Use Graphics Acceleration to let your GPU help reduce CPU strain. Close tabs with Task Manager. Press Shift plus Escape in Opera GX to open the browser's Task Manager. Then end processes from heavy tabs. Restart Opera regularly. Closing and reopening Opera GX helps free up memory leaks and keeps RAM usage lower over time. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.